So guys, hello, and let's go training our legs. So for this training we take this position. Yes. Okay, and right now we will do twist. So we breathe in, turn, and breathe out, come back. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So take this position, try to put this part of your leg to the floor, straight your back and wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, cool. So go to this position again, and so go to your toe. Yes, up your leg. Also, you can stay in your hands. If you want more straight, you can go to your elbows. And wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And this position you can up your leg or up your hand. Also straight your back and open the chest. And also I will straight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, please change your hands. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so go out from this position for little compensation. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So after that we will try up your left leg. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So take and gently press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so cool. After that, your leg should be between your hands. And right now we will do this exercise. You breathe in, straight your leg. Yes, your back must be straight. And breathe out. Our left knee return and go to the left side. Yes, let's go. So, and also come back. Breathe in and breathe out, go straight. So, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So fix this position and also go right and left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, go to your elbows if you advance. If you middle or beginner, please stay in your hands. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, cool. So after that, Gently put your leg to the mat. Yes, and right now we will sit in half split. So, put your hands to the floor, straight your back and go. Breathe in and breathe out. So, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Breathe in and breathe out. Stretch your hands and go to the floor. If you don't feel anything, you can put yoga block. Let's do the yoga. In the air. So your Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, in this position, we right now try to up our leg. Yes. And don't follow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so cool. After that we will do compensation for our legs, and for this compensation we can do this exercise, yes? And one by one we will press our legs one side and another side, and after that we can press our legs at the same time together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. After that, if you have some power, you can straight one leg, yes, close and open, close. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so also we can open two legs together and I will press. Yes, so go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. 10, yes. 10. So, yes, cool. Also, after bend your legs, also you can hack, yes. And so also compensation, yes, we can gently, yes, do around your knees, yes, and also another side. So do these exercises for another leg also, and repeat 2 times. So, and after that, welcome to another my video. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.